Is it even possible to add 2 inches to your biceps and 25 pounds to your bench while gaining 14 pounds of lean muscle in 60 days with just 3 exercises? All while working out only 3 hours per week?
Please click on the link below the video to watch the full content. If you are interested.
Okay, so you walk into the gym and you see this monster over in the corner and he's doing isolation lift after isolation. What him doing at the present time is not what he did do initially to get to that point. My point here is strength is size. What I mean by that is it's the compound lifts that built the body big enough, strong enough to the point where now you have the pass, the free pass to go and start doing a lot of isolation, to start to chip away and fine-tune the physique a little bit more. If you're not doing the big multi-joint, massive amount of muscles involved in one lift at a time type training, you're missing the boat. Your best bet, and this goes for almost 99 out of 100 guys who have a really big, strong, muscular physique. They didn't do it just by going to the gym and doing a boatload of curls and a boatload of arm extension and leg extension and all that stuff. That stuff's fine and it has its place after the fact. When you're taking this, very strong physique, this very, massive muscular physique, and you're trying to, target certain areas to have, maybe more impact on the biceps in particular or something like that. The front delts, the rear delts, the abs specifically. If you're doing the big compound movements over and over and over again, you're cycling through row variations and pressing variations and squatting variations, deadlift variations, all that stuff. I promise you over a certain period of time, 3 months, 6 months, a year, if you're investing your time properly, you will see results. But strength is size. The guys who are, the bodybuilders and the physique guys that look huge, they weren't just doing that from day one. They've earned the right to start doing that later on in their lifting career. In the beginning, trust me, these guys were doing the bigger lifts, spending a lot of time squatting weight, leg pressing, bench pressing, deadlifting, stuff like that. Coach Chris, Team Critical Bench, check some links below. We got some goodies down there for you. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you soon.
If you are interested.